My name is Lene Maj Nielsen and I work as Global Head of Recruitment Operations at Unity. We're currently 6,000 employees in more than 40 different locations around the world. And last year we received 225,000 applicants. Getting so much valuable feedback from the candidates enables us to learn where we can improve and give an even better experience, and hopefully being better able to attract talent in a very competitive market as we experience today. That makes the need for segregating our data extremely important. So we are able to see how are we doing in specific locations, recruiters, hiring managers, team, etc. And that's what the Talent Hub is providing us. Having the data that Talent Hub provides us from the candidates gives us the ability to make some qualitative KPIs. So we're not only measuring on time to hire and how many we hire, but also on how the candidates are during the process. Our recruiters go in on a weekly basis and check the data in Talent Hub and see how they're doing, and that's what's so great with the segregation of the data, that each recruiter can see how they are doing, and we are able to set up KPIs specifically for them and their teams. Some of the feedback we received was that we could improve our preparation before interviewing and being more aligned in who asks which questions. So we are currently revamping our whole interview process and making it mandatory for all interviewers to do a training in this. In the recruitment market today, it's really the candidates market, so it's more important than ever that we focus on the journey the candidates experience with us. And hiring with such rates that we do, being 200 people in recruiting that needs to align on common processes, it's just key to us that we listen to the candidates and we use their feedback to improve our processes and ensure that we continue to do the best and give our candidates the best-in-class experience when they're in process with us.